Good morning, children. I welcome you all in the session of Concept Sheet Solutions. Today's topic is taken from English language and your topic is naming words. And children, you all know that naming words means noun. And in your concept sheet, first question, here are some nouns and you have to put them under the correct column. The column 1 is common noun, column 2 is for proper nouns, and you can see some mixed nouns are given here in this bracket. I have shown you now Sona, man, January. These are the mixture of common and proper noun, and you have to pick up the words from there and you have to write them under the correct column. One is already done for you. For example, the first one is man. Man is a common noun. Sona is a proper noun. Now let's do the next one. Next word is January. January is a name of particular month, so it's a proper noun. It will be written in the column proper noun. Next word is table. Table is common noun. Then next word is again Thursday, proper noun, name of a particular day. So it will be written under the column proper noun. Then bird is common noun, so we will write under the column common noun. And in this way, children, you have to write rest of the nouns in their correct column, like mug, again common noun. Jimmy, name of a person, it will go under the proper noun. Cow, common noun. Book, common noun. March, proper noun. So in this way you can write and complete the tables. Now come to the next question, and your next question is write the names of your friends below. Will these be common noun or proper noun? You have to write names of your friends here, and then you have to tell whether they are proper noun or they are common noun. Now the next question is write as many nouns as you can that you go with the common nouns given below. Like the first example, you can see kitchen. The things that go with the kitchen are stove, plates, bowls, mugs, spoons. You have to give the related noun with your main noun kitchen. Now next is bedroom. You can see the things that you can find in the bedrooms. You have to write whatever you can see in your bedroom, the things. And for bathroom, again same, what do you find in bathroom. And garden, the things that go with gardens, again you have to write. Then in the similar way, the things you can see in your classrooms, in restaurants and in zoo. So in this way you can complete your next exercise also. Now come to the next sheet, that here you have to read the sentences and circle the nouns, and also write the types of noun, whether they are common noun or proper noun. Two examples are given. Now let's do the C1. Army will travel to Rajasthan and Kashmir. So here army, collective noun. Rajasthan, proper noun. Kashmir, proper noun. Then which is larger, Earth or Mars? Again both are proper noun, Earth, Mars. Next is I saw bullocks grazing on a farm. Bullocks, common noun. Farm, common noun. Now in this way you can complete the rest of the sentences and name the kinds in the sentences. Now next exercise is write the sentences below correctly. Use capital letters for the proper noun. Use small letters for the common noun. See the example number 1. Tina, Sumit, Delia are visiting the Jubilee Park. So here proper nouns are written with the capital letters and common nouns are written with the smaller letters. Now in the similar way, you have to do rest sentences. Take the help from the first one and complete the rest one. Now help Mr. Pinto to climb Mount Everest. So here, what are the proper nouns? Mr. Pinto. Mr. Pinto, you have to write with capital letter. Mount Everest, proper noun. This will be also written with the capital letter. In this way, the next one, see children. Meenu went to Bilaspur last Saturday. Meenu, name of a person, proper noun. Write or begin with a capital letter. Bilaspur, also write B with a capital letter. Saturday, proper noun, write S with a capital letter. Now children, rest of the sentences you can do in this way only. Now that's all in this concept sheet children. Thank you.